In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I built this very decorative looking tea light candle holder. I'm making some rough measurements here, but I ended up making changes later as I started cutting them to size. I essentially wanted to cut a piece that I could square off for the main platform, then cut off 2 Torii gate style pieces, and finally 4 legs. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also want to do another giveaway. Stay to the end to find out how I plan to gift this wooden Bowie knife to a subscriber. Okay, so here are the pieces cut to size. I squared off the platform at 3.75 inch sides. The Torii gates are 6 inches long, and the legs are a little under 2 inches tall and 7/8 of an inch thick. I want the legs to be secure to the platform, so I decided to cut out a notch on each corner so the legs can fit snug. Here I'm just trying to find the most ridiculous way to draw a curve out of things I had laying around in the shed, instead of just freehanding it. I couldn't figure out how to draw the rest of this Torii gate with the fishing line, so I went ahead and freehanded the rest of it. I took it to the sander to form the pieces to size and try to duplicate it for consistency. Once this is complete, I lay out the pieces to get an idea of how I want to glue it all together. I was surprised how simple this is given how daunting it looked when I drew out the design. I'm close to being done now. I glued the legs first, centered on the platform. Then I glue on the gates. Once it's all dried, it's time to start sanding. Thanks so much for making it this far into my video. As mentioned in the beginning, I'm also doing a giveaway. Rules are simple. First, give this video a thumbs up. Then subscribe if you haven't already. Last, leave a comment of your choice and include where you're watching from. Unfortunately, I'm only able to mail out this wooden Bowie knife to the continental US. Prices have skyrocketed and I get stung even when I'm mailing out the smallest of packages these days. I apologize for this, but I hope I can extend the joy outside the continental US soonest. I'll take a look at the comments and pick a lucky subscriber and send out the first ever full-size wooden Bowie knife I ever made as a gift for someone who supports me. Best of luck, everyone.